Refined visuals come from simplifying your layout while keeping strong framing decisions. Today, how to create refined visual layouts. Open Canva and start with a blank square canvas. Insert a single main frame and position it slightly off-center. Upload your image and drag it inside, adjusting it carefully for composition. Duplicate the frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a subtle layered border. Select the background and apply a clean neutral tone. Add minimal decorative elements like thin lines or shapes with low opacity. Use position tools to align everything precisely. Add simple text using a clean font. This refined layout approach creates a minimal yet professional visual.